so twaganira murimo yambuza ngo nabanjara kwazingaye terapi mutwara 3 munaza kongera hana nkwenshanje ngo ze photoport hey serious ngo ze mutawuni ereho eheze ngoro gota kamporo kaza kakumira kandi ndo mulimo
yakusigura
iye ntatiya hatwaronda kunda because nabanja karankunda munonga arankunda buri kimwe cyeye aranyebembeza obayine byo kuza gukora district akibataho anywerezayo those things hati nagambira manager Kulman is up to not he is a free guy not ni bade wanje ndamuterera tuganira tati manager nyoko nabino gunde mulimo kunende setting college mwashe madamu bakamuta madamu mwashe madamu aza kumujiro tangu madamu kwaraza kwaraza kumukora kubi tukasha tukunende sente madamu radio kutaka zisire sente what do I do so hatwaragana ngo andike resignation letter to submitting ngambere madamu ngo after my graduation my father dizonshenze kwega nze kongerera ibitabo so nazayo it was a Sunday twabganirwa wa honorable moko weye twareyo na ranch nyona Kulman na resigninga and nagambira honorable ngo ndikuza kushaka kwega na promising ngo after kwega I will come back and work for
directly
na nanka ana aijuka yazaga mu studio agere ngo trust agenzere agendere ko kongera ibitabo kusoma konkanesha kugaruka arabigambira burikiza and twatunilisana shape abantu batukunzire munonga muri cyo cyanga
sabantu kuba uruko kugenda kwa wote bacyemere
abantu bateganise bwa twatune bode ho ba Rwanda makanisa ho ba father everybody called me trusting is it true kuzakwgantiye nabiha group mpango
wabe habe bimbizi
ba radio
aha
bakara kachiko kitu kare
so atinena jo atimpisana nka photoport hati
so na kwa tumana na frame tujanje kakumiro na bitwara 40 no ruko twajire Kampala twayikirizana nangu atware photoport ndambuze nakundo mwanya nze gukora so we left Kampala together no musiji witu so kuyangmene yakamani kama my brother bakafika za obaro kubaraza nanka kitagwenda
yes
twaika photoport akataoni kuna kali kirini kali kwaka nzana Kampala na ikanda konda katauni kali kirini hona holiday because rich shanki bit
tukantiterere kuno
twaika mu studio aina ka studio karunje kuna bakakorose glasses obodi ampol kule wa manager kule wa accountant kule reception kule wa studio mwini akakakali bakakorose glasses ka studio kakabi kali hali badi ya roda ndikakumiro mbaye
watera
hati na za photoport na za morning show na DJ Mapapa
mwakora
morning breakfast
morning
magic yes
morning magic
it was morning magic yakakumi ya hits FM ya hits kwa kutani morning magic twaza morning magic twakora program ndagamba ruciga Mapapa ragamba rutoro na photoport yabonera mnonga so nija around mukwezi kwa makaga because nkaza graduating uko kubanza uko kabiri naza photoport nakora kasete kali kulebeka ukwezi kwa makaga of course I had no transcript kanda quarantine na transcript
eri favor ya ruhanga kushi
indojira I had no transcript so muzei ya interest nguka shifto mudisha because bedani muzei hadi kama ayakaine sente my siblings are still young mwentine my money was my money at least now even though I shashura school fees but those days my money was my money interest nguka shifto mudisha zo site zo kwera photoport raz fees abusha kubanze photoport yazini za university za mountains of the moon nebindi tofuna kandika toza kwa apply ngakakora kandika course ka postgraduate kujangu you be busy because I had only one show ejo ya morning magic kijemana za mukuzenga weekends photoport hona
akaseto kajya ningo jya kabanda karo baje kababadeba
nganda ushati mushingi twabaronda kurya cyo kubanza aza no drinking alcohol ashora ryachi nitire yakatare chama
onyo ka soda
and on top of that nura kampire room ya busha ready ndahana rent
kachitira
I had a free room ele TV elementary nkezi za crafts nebi ne stand so nyo just nyo kunyama kaza radio ngakora
so ati kuruga ha photoport
so kwezi kwa mukaga na kuna plan nje mushenze kwenda nyega kandi kakosi because I wanted to go to mountains of the moon na aba first kugaruka Makere kwenda my transcript now hati naza Kampala. It was around June kwezi kwa mukaga. Then in Kampala, of course, you're meeting about, but most of my friends were in Kampala, meeting Mushenerugamo. Abasiga hostels, bad friends who are doing become external in 4 years, and I found out because you're working, in Cape. So when I was coming from Makere, I remember because it was after Heroes Day. Heroes Day,
yeah.
Yes. So na kwa Muhanda na zai after Heroes Day na shanga office ya transport Makere bakabata kuzira. So I didn't get the service. When I was going back home, I was going to sleep kanyini kazi niwanja tura chitante. Ndikuza kurarayo kuna yeninta na tunga accident bantumira kororo. Yes.
Ushiko ngweje programu n'abagenda bareba tujyare baciga television kandi bigona tubikwatira ha Banana Gardens chill Sunday.
Yeah. So nothing accident. It was a nasty accident.
Oh.
Owa boda bodon peshira kafera. Because I remember when I left Makere nashanga batakozire I met friends Hotel Africa na twanyabwa just twashenerwa karo swimming put was swimming. So around 8 no Kampala tibwiraga. Those guys are going to bakaba kuzabo gorobi ati nyondi kuza chitandi ibine motoka mu trust could dropping into one tashari na untaka kwataka pshinjere. I remember only one thing and that's I get ya Hotel Africana ndaramza naba border
kush
street and mtu aromeka 2-5 aho ntundishika kush ebyakuratiyeho keshanga mwirugwari bastumira kubi bakatwara byahitande run day wa border aferaho. The next time I found myself in hospital and na rwara mbwenu ejo myezi up to August ndi Kampala ndi Rubaga hospital.
Ogweshi hits wagisigana chinde.
Hits nkoko because nkanshaberusa.
Ko shaberusa.
Naza Kampala. So my bosses knew trusted Kampala. Kuba maze batunga makuru mabi. Mwachireba. And it is wechinde chabiraho kugaraza wonyima kache. Hits FM n'abantu bakakumira ko barajikwata.
Okay, kera broadcasting jira.
No witu rugwanya nanje kwataga ndi muka. Yes. Era border to border era ikahare. So hati Hits FM ne ngweni niko kuyangusiza onkaka. Because abantu bateragese mu program ya Ijuka. Kumwa tugambire ngo trust akaza kwega kwa kubaliza radio ya 40. Atumuhura radio ya 40.
Oro iwojera ngweni.
Hati na anakaona rebo na banje aba disappointed ngena akaba disorganize chikamuteganisa mnonga chamuteganisa. And I remember kuri manarangira madam ari disappointed yansintiraga messages zemwe kuri kakwe okwetombitwa nzi forwarding ngira kuri mane ngutamugarukamu nakwanwe chiwa mukozire ngwebe yaramanya nguhatiya mpaka ngwa misiri.
So hati nyaza gutuligoa hits uri mwigwariro
hati naza mwigwariro. Had my father niwe yabera ngwize turi Rubaga hospital. Yeah. Twa nagomayo emyezi nkeshatu ndi mwigwariro kuna amazire. Then you had another group ubundi buhereza nanga because muragwa akatari services. And nkaikanaitaga muna za oxygen. I needed x-rays and change. Kuna amazire myezi 3 hati naza Naguru hospital for physiotherapy. Kungorora mushe mbo muntu koko ndi hati because nkande chidishinja. In fact I survived the death. Nkarugari mnonga. So kuna je Naguru bansibura I stayed around Kampala. I remember those days Dr. Abdon ogudecho mu Rwanda nakari kuri internship ya masters nanka Naguru. So no easy at picking a Rubaga. Rubaga, of course, in private, it was very expensive. My father had paid a lot of money. So, Nazayo, and my father, I consider Abdoni Kampala.
At the level
my father, Kashimusa Abdoni. Sakajang Mazima Master, who were wrong Tai when I was a child. No trust, we are come cigarette. So, na Bansibura, Nazamuma Manyabuzari in Kampala. every end of month kayine kwandagala ka mwirwaro nze mu x-ray balebe